Hi everybody, welcome back to another balloon tutorial. Today we're going to be twisting this little Bulldog right here. You can see it's 2 balloons to make it. This one's a little bit worn out since I left him for a few days. But don't worry, we're going to make a new one right now. So there it is right there. Just wanted to give it a quick spin, let you take a look at it real quick for the pros out there. You see it one time, you're like, oh, I can make that, no problem. That's what I do it for, right? So thank you very much for being here again. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you find these designs useful and something you can go out and try and just have fun with, I was just watching another channel not too long ago that talked about that aside from learning all of the different designs, make sure that you're having fun with it, of course, when you go out there. Work on it on your own and practice and get good, but definitely make sure that when you go out there you have fun and just remember, make great memories with the people you're with during that time, if you're hired out for an event and stuff like that. So that was a great advice, great advice. So anyway, let's go over the balloons real quick. They're going to be using it today. I'm going to use a 260. I'm going to use blush when I make it, but the cool thing about the Bulldog is you can make them in many different colors. You could do a brown, you could do a gray, you could do a white, so it doesn't just have to be the blush color. But that's what I'm going to do it with here for instruction. And then I'm going to use this for the leash. Okay, it's a 160 red, and I'm not going to use all of it. And so for the blush 260, if I've only blown it up halfway and then I squeezed it. I said before mashed, and someone said that's a real southern thing. I am from Texas originally, so that's probably where I got it. Anyway, let's. The other thing I'm going to use is marker, and I have my balloon cutter down here as well in case I need to use it. Okay. Otherwise, I think we're ready to go. Yeah. All right. Oh, real quick, what I do when I teach is I bring the sound down in case it's your first time here, and then I'll do voiceover at that point and just walk you along that way. That way we can minimize the squeaking, maximize the teaching. That's right. And for some of you guys that are revisiting the page and you find this stuff useful and you find value in it, again, I invite you to visit my Patreon page, patreon.com/jlomagic, and that's one way you can support the channel. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and bring that sound down. Let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. So we're gonna start with the ears, and we're gonna work our way to the tail when we make this. Okay. So we're gonna start with 2 one-finger bubbles. Okay. So you see, I'm gonna show you just 2 one-finger bubbles. Go ahead and twist them there. And I'm gonna take that nozzle and pull it through those bubbles to split them. And I am gonna give one of them a twist though. There we go. Okay. And then we're gonna do our 2 fingers there. That's gonna be the head or the face area. And then we'll do another pinch twist there at the bottom. Now we're gonna work on the muzzle, jowl area. So that was 2 finger followed by a 1-inch pinch twist bubble. And then what we're gonna do is we're not gonna match it. We're gonna be about just slightly smaller. So if you look at them, let me twist them together here. You're gonna make one smaller than the other because I wanted to cause the top one to come out a little bit. So the bottom one's pulling it back a little bit because it's this lower jaw. Okay, and so now we're going to do, and you see I'm definitely giving that balloon a squish. And then we're going to do a 3-finger segment here. And it's going to twist into that pinch twist in the front there. Okay, so we're going to go right into that pinch twist. There we go. And then we're going to measure another 3-finger segment. There we go. Measure that and go right back to the pinch twist you came from. So the bottom of the base of the head there, or top of the neck. Depends on how you look at it. So there you go. Okay, it's looking good. And then that lip, you can adjust it. That pinch twist, have that lip pop out like that. It's pretty cute. There we go. Just let you get a good look at it there. All right, now we're just gonna work on the body. Real simple, real basic. We got our neck there. It's about a 1-finger bubble. And then this is gonna be 3 fingers for the legs. And at the end, when you measure this, and this is something you play with, a couple times before you finally get it right. 2 fingers there. And then we'll do another pinch twist. And so far, every time I made this, once I got to this point in this pattern and followed it, it's pretty consistent. That's about a 3-finger there. Then when you get to the very end here and you twist it in, a lot of times you have a small bubble left there on the end, and it's perfect for his little tail. So, and that's why I was really happy about this, the way it came out, that it just happened to be the right size, like all around. So there it is. There's your Bulldog. Hope you enjoy that, and I'm not done just yet because I am going to make the leash. So take your 160, and again, just like we did at the ears at the very beginning, we have our 2 small bubbles, and I'm going to pull that nozzle right through there. There we go. And I am going to give one of those a twist just to make sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold that at the back of the neck, the pinch twist, and then I'm going to loop underneath the neck there and come right back around to those pinch twists and then roll into those. There we go. And so I think I go twice, and then I'll go in between the pinch twists just to really secure it, and then just decide how long you want it to be. I do, you know, just a little bit beyond his tail. And you know what's kind of funny is that I noticed that when this is inflated, far as you know how heavy it is, it sometimes can stand on its own. So try that, play with it, have fun with it, and thanks for hanging out. I hope you enjoy this design and find it useful. Alright, we made it to the end. You can see the twisting time does not take very long at all, even with the follow through and the voiceover and all that stuff. I think I probably spoke more at the video, or at the beginning of the video, than I did for the twisting time here. So you can see it's not very hard to do, which is really cool. Again, there's so many cool Bulldogs out there, and I just wanted to give you an option. You know, it's a one balloon. There are a lot of cool one balloon ones out there as well. So this is my take on it. I jammed on it, had fun with it, and just wanted to share it with you, you know, what I came up with. So let's go ahead and go over the artwork. It's really basic. You can see, I'll hold it up here, up close so you can see what I went with. So you can look at it there just for a second. Hopefully that glare is not too bad and you can actually see it. There you go. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and follow that same artwork there. Right there. Okay. Let's come up here really close. So we're doing our oval there. That's where our nose is, about right there. There we go. We got an oval. Let's go ahead and fill that buddy in. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to give him some attitude, so I'm going to just give this this long continuous brow. There we go. See that? Okay. And then we'll just put the eyes there. And there it is. All done. So I guess additional, the only thing I would add, if you're going to add something to this, if you want to, you may be able, because these spots right here, you can probably add the little fangs or whatever. I don't know. I just didn't want to, you know, go any farther with it. I felt really good about where it was right here, and just wanted to, you know, I don't know, just keep it just like this. But it'll be interesting, you know, if you play with this and you add the fangs and it's super cool, please, you know, share it. I think that would be really awesome to see somebody actually do it. You know, like I said, just having fun with it. So if you haven't, you know, subscribed to the channel, now's a good time. That way you can see videos when they come up. Rate it, share it, you know, comment down below and tell me if you made it. That's super cool. If you want to look for me on social media, on Instagram, I'm jlomagic1. You can reach out to me there as well. But otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and bring us to an end here. And I thank you very much for hanging out with me every single time. I really do appreciate it. And we're coming up on the weekend, so happy weekend, huh? I hope you have a good weekend. So, anyway, I'm getting to the end here, like now wondering, like, what do I say and how do I leave, right? But as always, until next time, and happy twisting. Bye.